Licenses are required to assign paid activities to your students on miniPCR Digital. This video will describe the types of licenses we offer and explain how to purchase, redeem, and apply them to your classes. Digital Lab Passes and All Access Passes can be used to assign paid activities to a class of students. A Digital Lab Pass grants access to one digital lab. An All Access Pass grants access to unlimited digital labs. miniPCR digital licenses can be purchased in the same way you would purchase other goods from miniPCR. Most users complete their purchases online at the miniPCR store. Upon completing your purchase, you'll receive an email from miniPCR Digital containing a license code that can be redeemed at digital.minipcr.com. To redeem a license code, navigate to digital.minipcr.com and log into your account. Select the Licenses tab on your dashboard and click the Redeem Code button. Paste your license code into the field and click Redeem Code. Once redeemed, your license will appear on the Licenses screen. Licenses must be redeemed before they can be applied to a class. Digital Lab Passes or All Access Passes can be applied to a class at the time of class creation by clicking the Select a License button, then choosing the license you'd like to apply. They can be applied to existing classes by clicking the pencil icon next to that class to open the Edit Class page. You can then click Select a License to apply the license to that class. All Access Pass upgrades can be used to convert a Digital Lab Pass into an All Access Pass. Like other license types, All Access Pass upgrade licenses can be purchased from the miniPCR store and redeemed on digital.minipcr.com. All Access Pass upgrades can only be applied to classes to which a Digital Lab Pass has already been applied. To apply an All Access Pass upgrade, click the Licenses icon next to the class you'd like to upgrade, and then click the Upgrade button. Once the upgrade has been applied, you'll see it listed in the Licenses pop-up.